Hey YouTube, tonight I ended up at McDonald's for, well, I'm trying to get in there, Shamrock Shake. Let's give it a try. Last time I had one was years ago, probably back in the 90s. This one, perhaps it tastes a little lighter than it used to be, considering they've improved the formula. And in this particular one, they have these transparent cups, transparent domes. This melted material, I couldn't get it back here in time, is the, what do you call it? It's like Kool-Aid. And somewhere in the bottom, because I couldn't get it back here in time, is the cherry. Two things that they added since those times. But I'd say, overall, it's very good. Very good at this, at this time, especially with the novelty of St. Patrick's Day. Give it one more. Oh, there's the cherry. I'll get to it at the bottom. I like that new cup, though. They got the Nick Cafe on it. And it's barely noticeable. There's a Nick Cafe there with the M. Well, there it is. And then they have, I don't know, they got these, what have you, right here, and then the recycling and irresponsible nonsense back here. Oh, and the 800 number, whatever. But overall, this one was actually picked up at the location in Enon, Ohio. And Enon, you did a great job. Here, we'll cut it here short. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.